Hey, thank you for tuning into my channel for the first time. Today's video, we're going to be talking about like serious topic, hyperpigmentation, and we're going to be giving solution to that problem. So if you have hyperpigmentation, this video is going to treat it for you. Like after this video, you're just going to go to a mall, you're just going to go to a beauty store, grab a soap, and this soap is going to like take care of your hyperpigmentation within 2 weeks. Hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation. Oh, sorry. Before you get to the end of this video, just know that one particular soap I am going to mention and telling you how to use and everything pata in it, you will be able to take care of your hyperpigmentation within 2 weeks. Welcome guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video I don't intend to make it so long, but I just want to catch cruise and all the fun in it. There are soaps that actually causes hyperpigmentation, and there are soaps that take rid of hyperpigmentation. So I'm trying to say that there are soaps that do give hyperpigmentation, and there are soaps that do not. There are soaps that do not give hyperpigmentation, and there are also soaps that treat the hyperpigmentation. Like they just make their ingredients basically for hyperpigmentation. Yeah, I'm sure about that. Okay guys, on this video I'm going to be mentioning like 5 soaps that you can use on your skin, and these soaps are for both face and body, and you can use these bar soaps. They are bar soaps, they are not shower gels. Today's video is for bar soaps. Yeah, so these soaps are going to get rid of your hyperpigmentation without much ado, like people that do speak purge English. First on the list is Nano Extra Whitening Soap. First on my list is Nano, not because it's the best, but because right now it is the first I can remember. Nano does works a lot on hyperpigmentation. Like they tackle even the smallest place. The smallest pigmentation on your skin, Nano tries a lot to clear it. So the way for you to use this Nano in order to tackle the darker side of your skin, or the side of your skin that are not even, is for you to try and do something like this. When you're having your bath, if it is your knuckles that are having the problems of hyperpigmentation, I'll like you use the soap like this. First of all, rub it on your hands. You know, we are talking about the knuckles. Rub it on your hands first. Very important. Rub it on your hands before you use it on your ankle. I don't know what this is called. Is it elbow? On your elbow, yes. Use it on your elbow. I'm talking about the darker parts now of your skin. Use it on your elbow. Use it on your dark knees. Use it on your feet, your dark feet. I know those are the toughest place to, lighten or to blend in your skin. So if you're having the hyperpigmentation on your skin, like your back, use it on your back first. Then while doing that, just try to massage the soap into your skin. Massage the soap into your skin, and then you can now go free with washing it on your other part of your body. Use it on other parts of your body. Wash it on your face and wash off at once, because Nano soap is going to give you a tickling sensation if you leave it on your skin. So if you do not want that, and it can burn out your skin if you're not careful, so the best thing is, if you're using it on your face, yes, it's for both face and body, but it's very sharp, so you want to like just do it at once and wash off. It's still going to work on your face without leaving it. I am not of the opinion that anybody should leave soap on the face. No, as a matter of fact, it is something that I hate so much. It's something that I advise people not to ever try. Like, why would you even think of leaving a soap on your face?
Ew, all the caustic soda everything? No.
So you just want to like mask it there and wash off at once without even leaving it for a seconds. It is not nice. You may love your face in the next 1 week, but you are not going to love your face in the next 3 months. So be wise. Okay guys, the next thing that I want to add for those that want to make use of nano soap is that nano soap is actually for people that do have oily skin. Yes. Nano soap works for people that have oily skin. If you have a dry skin, nano soap will dry out your skin. It is a soap that I've noticed actually does dries out the skin. It really does dries out the skin, except you may want to like melt the soap. Yes, you may decide to melt the soap and like, add honey to it or any glycerin or anything that you know is going to like moisturize your skin. You can decide to do that, or you can just please avoid it if you have a dry skin. If you do not want to go through all the stress of doing that, you may want to avoid nano soap, not for anything but for your own benefits. Though it's going to still lighten and do all the stuff for you, but if you still want to go ahead and be stubborn and want to use nano soap because of its benefits, then I would like that you use it with a very deep moisturizer. Like a very deep moisturizer that after leaving the bathroom and all the drying out of the skin, you want to apply a deep moisturizer in order for it to like return your skin. But I am just pitying you, because if you actually just have a natural dry skin, why don't you just avoid it and go to some other soap that I'm going to be mentioning in this video. But aside from that, if you have a normal skin, if you have an oily skin, and maybe 40% combination skin, can try it. But for a dry skin, I would not even advise that you go for it. There are other soaps that you can go for. So the next soap on my list I am going to be mentioning right now is Barbaria. Yeah, Barbaria soap. Barbaria. You all know Barbaria to be for the face, but I'm adding it today on my list of soaps that are for both face and body. Yes, you can use Barbaria on your face, you can use it on your entire body, you can use it anywhere. Like, it's really nice. And despite the fact that it is a little bit expensive, like here in you're going to get Barbaria for 1,000 naira. For a soap, it's expensive for a bar soap, but for the benefit you're going to get from it, I think that you should, hold the bull by the horn and go for it. Okay, guys, so Barbaria soap is a Thailand soap and it's really nice on the face and the body, despite the fact that it does not really do the whitening as people say it does, but it does more of glowing. Like for me, a dark skin person can use Barbaria and do not have any problem. What I noticed about Barbaria is that it's going to like try to repair your skin. So if you have some damages on your skin, like, you can decide to use Barbaria. A damage like hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation is a big problem. So you can decide to use Barbaria on your skin. It's going to glow and it's going to like slowly. The soap is slow. You can use one Barbaria and expect to see the maximum effect on your skin, but you can decide to use like 3. Yeah, just give yourself maybe like a month and use 3 Barbarias on your skin and you're going to see a maximum effect. Yes, that's what I think about it. That's what I've really noticed about it. But aside from that, Barbaria will do more of glowing your skin, and it's going to also do more of getting rid of your hyperpigmentation. So like I said, what I said about nano soap is that it's going to be applicable to all the soap. When you are having your bath and you're trying to treat something, and that soap is trying to treat something for you on your skin, I will advise that you use the soap on the part first, like the hyperpigmentation part. You use it on your elbow, on your knees, then before you put it on your body. And when you're putting it on your body, do not waste time again. Just wash it off. Even on your face, even if you have dark sunburn, anything that you would want to treat on your face, any hyperpigmentation, dark spots, acne spots, and all that, you would just want to like try to not leave it on your face, please. Especially for people that do have sensitive skin. It's not nice, so that it does not burn your skin. Too much of doing would burn your skin, and that is another big problem. So the next soap I'm going to be bringing to this table right now is Asante soap. Yes, Asante soap is really nice. Like, I have a couple of friends that is using the soap and they're glowing. Yeah, they're glowing. But there's something that I will always notice, because I'm always going to be noticing something about their skin, is that it actually does redden the skin, like the face, especially the face skin. So what I would advise is that if you have a sensitive skin, you should not go for Asante, because it's going to make your face red. But aside from that, if you like the yellow purple tone, like if you like the yellow purple skin tone, not the milky Filipinos, kind of skin, but you like the yellow purple, you know what I'm talking about. If you like it, you can go for Asante, because that's the skin tone Asante is going to give to you. But aside from that, Asante is very nice. Like, it lightens the skin. Like, it's really, really nice. But it's not as sharp as you may think. You may want to like give yourself a month of using Asante. Like, 2 of it will start showing good effect on your skin. So without much ado, you're just going to go to the next soap right now. The next soap right now I'm going to be mentioning is Makako. Makako soap. Yes, it's a soap for dark spots. It's a soap for dark spots. You can decide to add it to your black soap, or you can decide to use it like that on your skin. But that soap is really nice for dark spots. So if you have a problem of acne spots on your face, if you have problem of dark spots, sunburn, hyperpigmentation on your elbow, you may like want to use the soap to like concentrate more on that part of your skin. Like, you're going to love it, because it's going to treat it for you. You can add it with other soap, like you can mix it with other soap. You can melt like Nano and the Makako and use it. But if you're using it like that, you're not going to be using it as a regular soap, but you're going to be using it as a treatment soap. So you're going to just be focusing on the dark parts of your skin, and it's going to take it away in no time. The next soap on my list I'm going to mention is Care Brothers bar soap. You know, Care Brothers. Like, let me bring the mic closer. Care Brothers bar soap. This soap is really nice for hyperpigmentation. I had a friend of mine who used to suffer a lot hyperpigmentation on her skin. Like, I really didn't know what acne was doing on her face. Acne was using her face for festivals every month. So she really used to suffer from hyperpigmentation, like from acne spots and sunburn. So actually, she's been complaining my face is smooth and her is like this. What kind of a friend are you? So I decided to give her Care Brothers soap. Care Brothers soap. Like, I was just like giving it a try. It's not like I used it before. So, but I've been getting a lot of reviews from this soap, and I decided like I give it a try with her, because that one was very severe. So I gave her Care Brothers soap to try and use, and she used the first one, and she was like, she's noticing a glow on her skin, but the spots are still there. Then okay, I said, all right, at least that is a good thing. So I advised her she should use it every day. I advise her she should keep using it. If that one finishes, she should get a new one. Use it and don't give up. Like, just give yourself 3 months and use only Care Brothers soap on your face. So she did that, and right now, I don't know if I'm going to see her picture and just post it for you guys to see the glow and to see how flawless her skin is right now. Like, one of the things I think you should know about soap is that you need to like try to be consistent a little. You know, you're just changing from your soap to this particular soap that you want to use right now, because maybe you've heard something good about it. The first one you bought may not give you, because that first one may be just trying to get familiar with your skin and, you know, try to adapt to the new skin. So you may not see the effect of the first one you're buying. So go for the second one and the third one. Then somebody may even be the first to notice that your skin has changed. You that is using it may not even know. So Care Brothers soap has added to the list. It's a nice soap for hyperpigmentation. It's really nice, and though they say it's for face soap, it's a face soap, but you can use it for both your face and your skin. They are still going to do wonders. Like, they are really, really nice. So the next one on my list right now is Hawaii. How many people have used this soap, especially the carrot? Yes, it's really, really nice. It's not like it's a whitening, but I think this soap does more of the glowing, and it does more of the repairing, and it also does more of not damaging. Like, there are just soaps that you know you can go well with, you can roll well with. Like, this soap cannot, and will not ever damage your skin. And there are soaps that you pick to use and you're like too over skeptical of that particular soap because you're sure on the long run it can do something very harmful for your skin. So these 5 soaps that I've mentioned to you right now are soaps that you can trust. They are soaps that if they do not work on your skin, just know that they are not going to damage your skin. If you do not see the effect, know that you have actually thinned your skin to a particular extent. And while using this soap right here that I've mentioned to you, you may want to like add a good scrub to your body. And the scrub I'm going to be advising is for you to use it once in a week, because these soaps are already really sharp. So you do not have to like do more, you just have to do little. So 1 week, 1 day in a week, scrubbing your skin 1 day in a week, it's going to be enough. You're just going to activate the glow on your skin without doing much, and you may just want to be doing more of the moisturizers and just using maybe your lightening creams at night. And that way you're going to see your skin transform from the skin that really used to have hyperpigmentation to a skin that is flawless, golden, and even. So how about that? How about you subscribe now, like, and share this video? See you in my next video, guys. Mwah! Bye.